Okay, it's this simple. You turn it on so it starts heating, and then the green light will come on. You want to make sure you have enough water. Just add water right here. You put a little bit of coffee into the container. You don't want it too full or it doesn't breathe and it can't steam. Then you tamp it on the built-in tamper, and then you just hook it in right there. Put your cup under, turn it on. There it goes. Now if you want to use the steamer, then you have to turn it to this steam setting where you see the little puff and wait for this green light to come on again, and then you control the steamer on the top, and here's the steamer on the side. And that quick, you have a beautiful cup of espresso with the creme on top. It's luscious. I just put a splash of whole milk and call it good.
So with this coffee machine, it basically came as is. I didn't have to put anything together. The only weird thing was that this piece here, you kind of need two hands, so I'll just do this. It comes stored in here. So I actually called customer service because I thought it was a missing piece. But then my husband found it when we actually opened this up. It comes with either a 1 serving size or a 2 serving size filter. This one is the 1 serving size. You can tell because there's a thicker ring around here. And yeah, it's basically just, you know, a basic espresso machine. And it's cheap, it works well. And, you know, you could remove this to clean it out. Have the steam for your milk. I mean, it's pretty simple. It comes with the scoop and to compact your coffee grinds and to scoop. So it's pretty simple if you're just looking for some good espresso.